give me the paper?
Oh, why don't I? Now the thing is gone. Look, we waited too long. Connection. Yeah. So now it's looking, I think.
Want to give me the paper that you can move better?
But he's not connected, I think. Is he? Yeah, that is what he sees, huh? Okay. Yeah, now the motor's on. Now I can say it goes right.
Oh, holy moly. That's some scary stuff. That is really scary. Oh my god. Is that scary for you too, or is it just me? It sounds like a big bad bug. You know, like you have a mosquito.
I'm now wondering, how can I go to the left? I can only...
Just watch you don't run in a lamp or something, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but oh, maybe this one. Oh, yeah. Ooh.
Whoa. Holy sholy. Oh. Unbelievable.
Now do return.
Press, yeah,
I
press.
push now return.
Yeah.
Now it has to come back.
Okay.
How did you like it?
I loved it. It was scary.
It was so crazy.
Let me look here at the remote.
Oh man.
That was some scary stuff. You could pick it up in the hand.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that is scary. It was really scary.
Stop it. Stop it. That's enough for today.
Yeah.
It's a little bit windy.
Oh my god.
Now I want to have a look what we have on the film.
For me it was very scary.
Yeah, for me too. But now I realize that with this is up and down, and with this one you go to the left, right, and so on. But you also have to calculate the wind.
I don't know if I can do this.
It's so funny, huh?
Yeah, it's amazing.
It just came in my hand.
Tell me, I want to get the remote. Then we can film the van from the top, huh?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Power switch. I put the power off now, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, look at the sun. I quickly look at the solar panel. You okay? Just
Will you open the door?
yeah. Just watch the cable that you don't fall. And the drone is futsch. Here we're getting some solar from the sun still. Beautiful evening. Look at this. I mean, our van is big, yeah. But look at this thing here. This is a whole palace. This is like a truck kind of thing. Oh la la. They're also very high up. Hallelujah. Now that was our first test with the drone. It was pretty scary. You probably saw us. It was pretty scary, but it worked. I'm not sure if I can do it. Oh la la.